Now, I would like to explain the concept of Cold War. America and the Soviet Union, who were allies, became rivals soon after the end of the Second World War. Their rivalry, described as Cold War, lasted for over 45 years, that is from 1945 to 1991. The term Cold War describes a situation where there is no actual war, but such intense tension that may lead to war. America was already a superpower, and the Soviet Union aspired to become a superpower by making nuclear weapons and by increasing its military might. The struggle for power, arms race, differences in ideologies, attitude of checkmating each other by strategies and counter-strategies gave rise to the Cold War. So children, the Cold War was a period of geopolitical tension between the Soviet Union and the United States and their respective allies, the Eastern Bloc and the Western Bloc after Second World War. The period is generally considered to span the 1947 Truman Doctrine to the 1991 dissolution of the Soviet Union. Now, I will discuss about the effects of the Cold War. The first one, that is creation of military organization. Children, during the Cold War, both the superpowers created military organizations. The respective superpowers took up the responsibility of the security of the countries, joining the military organization led by them. North Atlantic Treaty Organization, that is NATO, was a military organization under the dominance of America, while the Warsaw Pact was a military organization under the command of the Soviet Union. So children, here you have come to know about two military organizations. One is NATO, that is North Atlantic Treaty Organization under the dominance of America, and another one, that is Warsaw Pact. It is under the dominance of Soviet Union. The other effects of the Cold War, the next one is bipolarization of the world. During the Cold War, most countries of the world joined either of the two superpower blocs. Such a division of nations of the world in two groups is bipolarization. The scope of the Cold War increased due to this. The sphere of tension spread. The next one is arms race. The superpowers started producing arms on a large scale to outsmart each other. There started a rivalry to make more and more destructive weapons and to acquire the technology required for the same. But soon, both the superpowers realized that the arms race may endanger international peace. Hence, efforts towards arms control and disarmament also happened during this period. Now, I would like to discuss the creation of regional organization. Developing nations created regional organizations at the regional level in order to ensure mutual cooperation in the context of the superpower rivalry. They felt that economic development was more important. European countries come together and formed the European Economic Community, while the Southeast Asian countries, that is Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, etc., established the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. So children, today you have come to know about the Second World War. Also, I have discussed about the Cold War and the effects of Cold War. Now, you should go through the topic in detail because whatever is discussed today, each and everything is very much new for you. That's why it is very essential to read the topic from your history and political science textbook, and you should listen to the audio carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay healthy.